TJ Ward, Santa Barbara County public health officials say another person has died from the flu.
That brings the flu-related death toll to 6. News Channel 3 Senaray De Los Santos joins us live. And Senaray, you know a little bit about the person who passed away.
Yeah, that's right. You know, the public health department says that having that many deaths is not unusual during this time of the year, but they also want the public to know that this illness is very serious if left untreated.
Typically, the flu season peaks between December and February. This year was different. It started later, meaning the virus hung around longer than many were used to.
We've already started to see a decline in cases. So the good news is here we are in April, and we're seeing a downward trend. So we know now we're on the tail end of flu season. It's still widespread right now, but it looks like it's tapering off.
As the flu season comes to an end, the virus hasn't disappeared just yet, and it's not something to take lightly. Santa Barbara County Public Health Department reported another death related to the flu that happened in early April. The patient was 60 years old, and that's now a total of 6 deaths this season, to go along with 12 confirmed ICU hospitalizations.
It's not unusual to see that many deaths. The deaths that we investigate and really keep a close eye on are those in the reportable range, which is ages 0 to 64. And we have had 4 deaths within that age range this season.
People that are most at risk with having a fatal flu are people with medical conditions, the elderly, kids under 5, and pregnant women. Now, there's 2 ways to prevent deaths from influenza. One is to get vaccinated. The other is to seek medical care immediately. There is an antiviral medication that can decrease the severity of the flu if caught early enough.
There are anecdotal cases of young, healthy people getting post-influenza pneumonia and being in the ICU and even dying. That happens. Influenza is serious, and a post-influenza bacterial pneumonia can be very serious, even fatal. That's why it's so important to get vaccinated.
It is still not too late to get your flu shot, and there is good news. The Centers for Disease Control hasn't discovered any new strains to the virus this year. Live in Santa Barbara, Senaray De Los Santos, News Channel 3.
Okay, thank you, Senaray. The Coast Guard just ended